Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, and the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed. Removal. Disconnect the SATA and power connectors of the hard drive cable from the motherboard to access the hex screw that secures the stand top cover assembly to the stand arm. Disconnect the 3 scalar cables from the motherboard. Disconnect the wireless LAN antennas from the wireless LAN module. Use a 4mm hex wrench to remove the connecting hex screw between the stand arm of the display assembly and the stand top cover assembly. Note: some force may be necessary to complete this step. Pull the stand top cover assembly partially away from the display panel assembly. Feed the scalar cables and wireless LAN antennas, one by one, through the access hole on the stand top cover toward the display panel assembly, until the stand top cover assembly can be fully removed from the display panel assembly. Place the stand top cover assembly face down. Disconnect the Alexa LED board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Carefully detach the Alexa LED board ribbon cable adhered to the channel between the speakers. Turn the stand top cover assembly over and place it face up. Gently pry the speaker mesh tabs from the slots, securing it to the stand top cover assembly, and remove. Reserve the Alexa LED board attached to its holder at the center of the speaker mesh. Replacement. Replace the reserved Alexa LED board and its ribbon cable to its holder on the inside of the speaker mesh. Connect the Alexa LED board ribbon cable to the motherboard in the stand top cover assembly. Secure the Alexa LED ribbon cable along the channel between the speakers. Align the speaker mesh tabs to the slots on the stand top cover assembly. Press all of the speaker mesh tabs firmly into their slots in the stand top cover assembly. Feed the 3 scalar cables and wireless LAN antennas, one by one, back through the access hole in the stand top cover. Align the screw base in the stand top cover assembly with the stand arm of the display panel assembly and push the 2 assemblies together. Carefully pull the scalar cables and wireless LAN antennas through the access hole until they are taut. While pressing the stand top cover assembly firmly to the stand arm, replace the hex screw into the stand top cover assembly. Tighten the connecting hex screw completely with a 4mm hex wrench to secure the stand top cover assembly to the display panel assembly. Connect the wireless LAN antennas to the wireless LAN module. Connect the 3 scalar cables to the motherboard. Reconnect the SATA and power connectors of the hard drive cable to the motherboard.